To connect Metatrader 5 with Exness, follow these steps. First, you need to open an account with Exness, which will provide you with the necessary login credentials. If you already have an account, proceed to the next step. Next, download and install Metatrader 5 from the official MetaQuotes website or the Exness website. Once installed, launch the platform and click on File, then select Login to Trade Account. In the login window, enter your Exness account number and password. Then select the Exness server from the list of available servers. The server name should be in the format of Exness server. After entering the required information, click on the Login button. If the credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Exness account through Metatrader 5. To verify the connection, check the bottom right corner of the Metatrader 5 window, where it should display your account number and the Exness server name. You can now start trading with Exness using the Metatrader 5 platform. It is essential to note that you should only use the official Metatrader 5 platform and download it from trusted sources to avoid any potential security risks. Additionally, make sure to keep your account credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Metatrader 5 with Exness and start trading with one of the most popular online trading platforms. Remember to always use best practices when trading, such as setting stop losses and using proper risk management techniques. In conclusion, connecting Metatrader 5 with Exness is a straightforward process that requires you to have an Exness account, download and install Metatrader 5, and log into your account using the provided credentials. With this connection, you can access a wide range of trading tools and features offered by both Exness and Metatrader 5.